Preparing to sell your home, even the smallest repairs can make a world of difference. Buyers are naturally on the lookout for signs that a property has been well cared for. Something as simple as a dripping faucet or a squeaky door might seem insignificant to you, but to a potential buyer, these minor issues can raise concerns about the overall condition of the home. Addressing these small problems before listing not only improves your home's appearance, but also builds trust and confidence in buyers' minds. Let's explore why taking care of these details is so important for a successful sale. First impressions are everything in real estate. When buyers walk into your home, they immediately notice the details, both good and bad. A cracked tile or a loose doorknob can make them wonder what else might be wrong. By handling these small repairs ahead of time, you set a positive tone from the moment they step inside. This attention to detail shows buyers that you've cared for your property, making them more likely to trust that the rest of the home is in good shape. Remember, you only get one chance to make a great first impression. Let's talk about some of the most common small repairs that can make a big difference. Dripping faucets, squeaky doors, cracked tiles, and chipped paint are all issues that buyers notice right away. These might seem like minor annoyances, but they can add up in a buyer's mind, making your home feel less move-in ready. By addressing these issues before listing, you show that your home is well maintained and ready for its next owner. It's a simple step that can pay off in a smoother sale process. From a buyer's point of view, small repairs are more than just cosmetic. They can be red flags that signal bigger, hidden problems. When buyers see issues like loose handles or broken tiles, they may start to wonder if there are more serious maintenance problems lurking beneath the surface. This can lead to hesitation or even lower offers. By taking care of these repairs in advance, you remove doubts and help buyers feel confident about making an offer on your home. Confidence is key when it comes to selling your home. Buyers want to feel assured that they're making a smart investment. When they see a home that's been well maintained, with all the little issues taken care of, it puts their minds at ease. This confidence can lead to faster offers and even better terms. By investing a little time and effort into repairs now, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more successful sale. One of the best ways to tackle repairs is to create a punch list. Walk through your home and make note of every small issue you see, no matter how minor it seems. This could include things like scuffed walls, loose cabinet handles, or a sticky window. Once you have your list, prioritize the repairs and start checking them off one by one. This organized approach ensures that nothing gets overlooked and helps you stay on track as you prepare your home for showings. Not all repairs are created equal. Some issues are more urgent than others, especially those that buyers are likely to notice right away. Focus on visible problems in high-traffic areas like the kitchen, bathrooms, and entryways. These are the spaces that make the biggest impression during showings. By prioritizing repairs in these areas, you maximize your home's appeal and ensure that buyers see your property in the best possible light. Repairs can be completed in just a few minutes, but have a big impact. Tightening loose screws, replacing burnt-out light bulbs, and patching small holes in the wall are all quick fixes that make your home look well cared for. These small touches add up and help buyers see your home as move-in ready. Don't underestimate the power of these simple improvements. They can make a real difference in how your home is perceived. Many small repairs can be handled on your own. There are times when it's best to call in a professional. If you come across issues with plumbing, electrical systems, or structural elements, hiring an expert ensures the job is done safely and correctly. Professional repairs can also provide documentation that reassures buyers about the quality of the work. Knowing when to DIY and when to call a pro is an important part of preparing your home for sale. Timing is everything when it comes to repairs. Ideally, you want to complete all necessary fixes before your home hits the market. This way, your property is ready for showings from day one and buyers see it at its best. Rushing to make repairs after listing can be stressful and may even delay your sale. Plan ahead and give yourself enough time to address every item on your punch list. Once you've completed your repairs, don't be shy about showcasing your efforts. Clean, well-maintained homes stand out in the market and attract more interest from buyers. Highlighting recent updates and repairs in your listing description can also set your home apart from the competition. Remember, buyers appreciate transparency and attention to detail, so let your hard work shine. If you're unsure which repairs matter most, don't hesitate to seek expert advice. A real estate professional can walk through your home with you and point out the repairs that will have the biggest impact on buyers. Their experience and trained eye can help you prioritize your efforts and avoid unnecessary expenses. Getting a second opinion ensures you're focusing on what really counts. Working with a knowledgeable realtor can make the repair process much easier. They know what buyers in your area are looking for and can help you identify which repairs will give you the best return on investment. A realtor can also recommend trusted contractors and service providers if you need professional help. With the right partner, you'll feel confident that your home is ready for the market. If you're looking for personalized guidance, reach out to Brian March at Real Estate by Tremin. With experience in helping sellers prepare their homes for the market, Brian can walk through your property and help you decide which repairs are most important. Whether you're selling your first home or your forever home, having an expert by your side makes the process smoother and less stressful. Every home has a story, and making small repairs before listing is a way to ensure yours has a happy ending. From first homes to forever homes, taking care of the details shows pride of ownership and helps your property stand out. Remember, home is where your story begins, and with the right preparation, you can turn the page to an exciting new chapter. Good luck with your sale.